Welcome to Always Ice Cream and Clever Dragons,
the best online communities, where you can learn and have fun at the same time. You can even share your own videos here.
We are the Crafty Girls and we have produced a lot of videos.
Today we'll show you how to make your own.
You may be thinking, me? Make a video?
Yes, you.
Because you have something special to share with the world.
Do you play a musical instrument, sing,
or dance? Or maybe you can teach us tips on playing a sport.
Do you have a pet that you love and can teach others about? Never let your cat play with your chicken or your rat. Today we're going to show you how to teach your cat to swim. Yeah!
Or maybe you're good at math and can teach other kids how to solve math problems.
If you have 5 ice cream cones, then I give you 3 more. What do you have? An ice cream party! Or you can share cool science facts.
Did you know that the peregrine falcon can stoop at over 200 miles per hour? Talk about fast.
Do you have a favorite game or quiz on Always Ice Cream or Clever Dragons that you would like to explain to other members?
I love the dragon game.
Me too! Or maybe like us, you like crafting and making fun recipes.
Whatever you do, there is someone who would enjoy learning from you.
So we want to help you share your message by teaching our tips for making terrific videos. First, we're going to share what to do.
Number 1, you'll need a camera. You can also use your phone. Just remember to turn your phone sideways when you film, because nobody wants to see those black lines on the side of your video.
You mean like this?
Yes, like this.
Try to have neat surroundings. A lot of mess around you or behind you can be really distracting.
Sunlight is best for filming videos.
Just make sure wherever you film to keep the light in front of you.
If the light is behind you when you film, you'll get this.
And you don't want this.
Be aware of the noise around you. It's hard for people to understand you if they can't hear you.
So you probably shouldn't have chickens in your video. When making your videos, remember the phrase short and sweet.
The longer the video, the more likely it is that people won't watch it all.
So keep it short.
Having a plan before you film your video is a good idea. Since we do how-to videos, we always have a note with the supplies listed, as well as any points we don't want to miss. Pretend that the camera is your audience and really talk to them.
Hi, friends!
Most important, smile and be yourself.
Because you are awesome! Let's talk editing.
Most computers come with a basic editing program for creating movies.
Like iMovie for Macs.
And Movie Maker for Windows. And you can get apps for phones.
Like Splice and Power Director.
Editing is important because you can cut out sections that are too long or boring.
If you have a patch of film where nothing is happening, cut it out.
And now, what not to do.
Never share your personal information in your video. First names are fine, but don't share your last name, the name of your school, your church, or your city,
or anything else that will tell people where you live. Also be sure that you don't include videos or photos that will reveal your location.
Like a photo in front of your school. Hey, there's the town hall. Should we take a picture there?
No.
Never speak, dress, or behave in any way that is inappropriate. Choose topics that are only good and appropriate for even the youngest kids.
We need to dress like we would for school or church. And remember, any inappropriate videos will not be accepted for sharing on Always Ice Cream or Clever Dragons.
Music can really make your videos more fun.
But do not use copyrighted music.
Copyrighted?
Copyrighted. It means that someone else made the music and protected it so that it cannot be used freely.
If you choose to use copyrighted music, like your favorite song on the radio,
your video will probably be removed from the website.
There are sources for safe music. Ask your parents to help you with this.
Or you can make the music yourself.
La 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 la. anyone else until your parents have seen it and approve.
The staff at Always Ice Cream and Clever Dragons will need your parents' approval before they will consider it.
If you'd like to see more videos by Crafty Girls,
Check out the live skills section on this site.
or you can see even more videos on our Crafty Girls channel on YouTube.
As you know, on Always Ice Cream and Clever Dragons, we're not allowed to talk about our YouTube channels.
But here's our little secret. Our mom directs the Crafty Girls channel.
And make sure that everything we present is okay.
Therefore, we got a special permission to talk about this. Now get out there and film a video. It's